Hello everyone, once again welcome to Numbers in Python. In this video we'll be talking about how to deal with complex mathematics in Python. In Python we have a special module named as math to deal with complex mathematics. What this module is, it is a set of Python code which is already written and we can import it in our program to use the features of it. We can use the functions, constants or anything else that is provided by that module. We'll use this module by importing like this, import math. This is how we import any module. Now since math is an object, we can access the functions and constants by dot notation, that is math.py gives the value of pi. Now let's print this math.py value. Since we all know the value of pi is 3.14, let's look at it, what it gives us. Let's save the program and run it. It gives the more precise value than 3.14. So it's better to use math.py rather than 3.14 in your calculation. Now similarly we have the power function in math. That is, let's print out math.pow, that is power. This is 10 comma 3. This acts like 10 double asterisk 3. But instead what it does is it converts this integer number into float and does the power. Let's see how it works. You can see it gives us the floating value number. This is the exact power of 10 to the power of 3. So for everything we don't have to import math. Some features or some mathematical operations are built into Python. That is, let's remove this import math and let's have a look at absolute value conversion, that is absolute -1. This will give the positive value of the number inside it. Let's see, print absolute -1. Let's save this and run it here. You can see it gives the positive output. But since we have the limited number of methods or functions, we use the Python math module in our program so that we can access the more built-in features inside the math module. So how you can learn and do some stuffs with math module is you can look at the documentation and find the more functions and modules. I'll give the link in the description. You can check it out and go to the documentation and have fun with it. So this was the end of Numbers in Python. See you in the next video.